Hi friends, in the next few minutes you will discover the 10 defining characteristics that transform the theatre forever. This video is about the main characteristics of Elizabethan drama. Elizabethan drama reflected Renaissance ideals such as humanism, curiosity, individualism, and the revival of classical learning. Playwrights often mixed serious and humorous scenes, making their plays more realistic and entertaining. The characters in the Elizabethan drama were psychologically deep and realistic, with strengths, weaknesses, ambitions, and inner conflicts. The plays were written in expressive, imaginative language and were often using blank verse, prose, metaphors, similes, and wordplay. Common themes in the Elizabethan drama included revenge, ambition, power, justice, loyalty, betrayal, fate, and the conflict between appearance and reality. Many plays of the Elizabethan age were based on English history, Roman history, mythology, folklore, and well-known legends. The stage had very little scenery. Dialogue, costumes, and audience's imagination created the setting. The characters frequently expressed their private thoughts directly to the audience through soliloquies and asides. Elizabethan drama was written to entertain audiences from all social classes, from common people to the nobility. Most plays followed a 5-act structure consisting of exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Elizabethan drama reached its golden age during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. It combined poetic beauty, memorable characters, dramatic conflicts, and universal themes, making it one of the greatest periods in the history of English literature. Playwrights such as William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, and Thomas Kyd made this era famous with their enduring works. With these words, I come to the end of today's video, friends. Thank you so much for being here. Bye for now.